At Wagner, every connection moves us forward, together. In our classrooms, students and professors learn side by side, shaping ideas that reach far beyond campus. On our fields, teammates push each other to go further, reminding us that progress is something we achieve together. In our labs, curiosity fuels collaboration. Every discovery built on shared passion and purpose. On our stages, creativity brings us closer, inspiring pride, joy, and a sense of belonging that lasts a lifetime. Across campus and beyond, students, alumni, faculty, and friends come together to lift one another, to give back, to build forward, and to keep Wagner strong. Because when we come together, every gift, every moment, every one of us, we lift each other up and move Wagner forward together.
Come discover with me.
Come shine with me.
Come move forward with me.
Join us this day of giving and move forward together with Wagner.